Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, now I'm standing here, and if I talk about in this area, so as we can see, this is the mustard field, and in our village behind side, and you know this is the very big field. And actually I mentioned that our another video I actually already mentioned this place. And dear friends, this is our potato plants, and day by day growth these plants, and this our mustard plants. So actually, dear friends, nowadays our health condition so not for good, and actually I feel like sick before 1 week ago. So today actually I'm so good, so that's why I will make, and I am making video. Okay, so and dear friends, our today our sound and audio sound so very low, because very nervous feel, because our health condition so sick, I feel sick. Okay, so this is in our behind side on, like, actually banana trees, and so all around side actually very green environment, so very amazing. Okay, so actually today I am on video make, just starting this video after a long time. I have come here for this field, and my another video, actually you can see this is this video actually I went to go I went to for Brahmaputra river. So this video so different type of video, and it was very amazing for this video. Or like I don't go this location after a 1 year. Okay, so dear friends, so thank you